This is the first video I'm trying to record here, and I'm testing all the audio, and I hit record, and this is what I got. So the actual studio is built so we could film downstairs, and this is just the editing bay. I figured I'd take everything up here to test out, but little girl is literally right behind me, and I figured, you know, if I put the mic on or whatnot, you wouldn't be able to hear her watching Peppa Pig in the back, but obviously you do hear her. Let me go check on her.
2 hours later.
What's going on, SpeedFam? It is Saturday, January 15th, so we're halfway through the month of January. This is our first video of the year, so Happy New Year and welcome to 2022. I'm Tony, and today we are doing a giveaway, and this is not sponsored by anyway, we just love their stuff. It is going to be a brand new GoPro 10 and throwing a little chip as well too, so you'll be good to go. Just charge up batteries, stick in the chip, and it'll be ready to go. We actually don't use the GoPro 10 just yet. I actually have a case of GoPro, what is this? I think the GoPro 5s. Yeah, it's the Hero 5. That's Addie in the background, and usually she wouldn't be screaming because I'd have her sleeping, but she's skipping her nap today. And I figured now that I've got bubble guppies on in the background, she wants to do her puzzle that we taught her last night. Anyways, wait a minute. Alright, so we're back. Like I said, we don't use a GoPro 10 yet. I'm super excited to get one of these things. I actually ordered another one, but this first one just came in and we are sending it straight out to one of you guys. And the giveaway was going to be a SpeedFarm shirt and something else. We're trying to figure out what to give out. We couldn't just do like Subaru stuff or Nissan stuff. We're just starting off with everybody, so I figured something that everybody could use would be a brand new GoPro 10. It's got a ton of features on there, but it's got to be awesome because the Hero 5 is the one we're using, and this thing's awesome. We've got like a case of these things just because we actually mount them everywhere, and when things do break on us, we just swap in with another one. Besides this one, we used that little square one. I forgot what it's called. I just call him Wally. But that one on the last trip to Sebring, it flew off. Alright, so the giveaway is just so we can start building up followers or whatnot. I'm going to be posting a lot pretty much on Instagram and on YouTube, so if you guys can give us a follow on Instagram, it's a quick easy way that we could just post up the small stuff, and then on YouTube, so if you could subscribe. We're probably like right over 100 right now, so if we could just keep growing that, would be good. Just gives me a chance to share more stuff that we've got going on. Alright guys, I just want to make a quick video. Just so if you guys want to do the giveaway for the GoPro 10 and the SpeedFarm original t-shirt, just go ahead and again follow on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, and then we're just going to pick a winner at the end of the month. So it just pretty much gives everybody 2 weeks to go through. I'm going to post this on Instagram and this video on YouTube, so hopefully if you guys can just like, comment, whatever it is, just so we can build it up, I would be truly grateful for that. So thank you guys, and I'm just going to keep putting videos as we go. Alright, see you later. I don't know how to end videos right now. I'm just so used to being behind the camera. So thank you guys for the 100+ subscribers on YouTube, and I think we got just about the same on Instagram, so we can just grow this at the same time. Just please go ahead and give us a like, a follow, a subscribe, and we'd greatly appreciate that. See you later. Thank you guys.